Good morning, children. Let us discuss about the history lesson for tribals Dikus. In previous class, we have learned about the shifting cultivation or Jum cultivation. And some of the tribal people, they were the hunter gatherers. So, some were hunter and gatherers. In many regions, tribal groups live by hunting animals and gathering forest produce also. So, some of the tribal people they live in forest area. They were hunting the animals and also that gathering the food or collecting the food from the forest areas. They saw forest as essential for survival. So they thought that forest is the place to live peacefully and they can survive by living and collecting the food and also hunting the animals. The Kones were such as community living in the forest of Orissa. They regularly went out on collective hunts and then divide the meat amongst themselves. So they went to the forest area. They used to hunt the animals. Hunting the animals, after bringing that meat all together, they used to distribute and eat together also. They are these people, they used to eat the fruits and roots collected from the forest and cooked food with the oil they extracted from the seeds of the sal and mahua. The people, the hunter gatherers and hunting the animals and collecting of the food, just they used to gather, they collect fruits, roots from the forest and that after that they used to cook the food by using of the oil they extracted from the seeds of the sal and mahua also. They used many forest shrubs and herbs for medicinal purposes also. The shrubs and herbs they used some of the medicinal plant and also that they sold forest produce in the local markets. The some of the forest products they used to sell in the nearby markets. The local weavers and leather workers turned to the cones when they needed supplies of kusum and palash flowers to color their cloths and leather also. Some of the weavers, whatever the tribal people are bringing from the forest area, these people also they used to collect and also that they used to uh, sell in the market and that some of the flowers, some weavers are needed to give the color to the cloth, just they used to buy from the tribal people. So here what we have learned, the people they used to use the oil, the sal and mahua also. The fallow means a field left uncultivated for a while so that the soil recovers and fertility. In shifting cultivation we have learned about this word. And also the hunter gatherers, they used to cook the food. Sal means a tree. From the tree they used to collect the oil. Mahua. Mahua means it is the flower that is eaten or rushed to make the alcohol also. So the cones they used to live in forest area. They collect the forest materials and that material, some of the materials they sell in the market also. From where did these forest people get their supplies of rice and other grains? So the uh, tribal people, what they were doing here, they are collecting forest material, but they need the food also. Some of the grains also they needed. What they have done to get the grains? At times they exchanged goods, getting what they needed in the return for their valuable forest produce. So these people, this forest produce, they sell it in the market and what they needed from their getting the goods also. At other times they bought goods with the small amount of earnings they had and after selling whatever money they are getting, just they used to buy the things whatever they needed. Some of them did add jobs in the villages also, carrying loads or building roads, while others labored in the fields of peasants and farmers. Some of the tribals just they are working and some job they are doing. What are the jobs they are doing here? Carrying the loads or building roads, construction of the roads, they used to do the labor work, while other labored in the field. Some they started to work as a laborers in the field also. When supplies of forest produce shrank, tribal people had to increasingly wander around in search of work as a laborers. The forest products when it is going to be complete, just they used to search for the another work also. As a laborers they used to do the work. But many of them like a Baigas of Central India. Baigas means the tribal group's name. It is a name of a group for the tribal people. Central India were reluctant to do work for others. Baigas saw themselves as a people of the forest who could only live in the production of the forest. The Baigas, they are living the collection of the forest products, forest material, and they were living. It was below the dignity of a Baiga to become a laborer also. So the tribal people just for themselves and again to do work as a labors, the Baigas. Then one more we have seen Kones also. Kones, Baigas. Like this way, many tribal groups they have their own names also. So the tribal groups, some of the shifting cultivators, some of the hunting animals and gathering of the food. Let us continue in the tomorrow's class what work was done by the tribal people and how they were suffered under the Britishers also. Thank you.